Hello everyone, I am Trupti Pandya and today I will be teaching you mathematics of standard 4th. Revision of chapter number 2. In previous lecture we already completed revision of chapter number 1. Today let us start the revision of chapter number 2. Long and short. First of all, important points. First important point, the word long and short used for comparison. If comparison is there, one line is there and compare the another line, then we compare that this line is greater than this line. Otherwise, this line is shorter than this line. So this way comparison, long and short comparison is there, big and small. This type of comparison is there. So long and short, these two words are used for the comparison. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Centimeter is written as cm in short. Meter is written as m in short. Kilometer is written as km in short. Kilometer is used to measure distance between two cities. Kilometer is the biggest unit to measure the distance. Centimeter is the smallest unit to measure an object. Meter is used to measure the clothes or any other object. Now, page number 13. Here question number 1 is given. How far apart are the dots? Here some dots is given and given the ABCD name of these dots. Dots D, O, I, H, L, A, C, K. So this way M, F, J, N, E, G, H. So this way some dots is given and afterward from these dots they ask the question. First question, guess the distance between any two dots. How many centimeter is that? Now measure it with the help of scale. So first of all, did you guess right? Answer 1. I guessed the distance between dots E to N is as 3 centimeter and actual distance between these two dots is 3 centimeter. So my guess is right. Now question number 2. Which two dots do you think are farthest from each other? Check your answer. Answer, dots O and M are farthest from each other. My guess is right. Question number 3. Which two dots are nearest to each other? Check your answer. Answer, dots O and D are nearest to each other. My guess is right. Page number 14. The shorter line. Here Akbar's line is given and below the Akbar's line there is one more line and it is Birbal's line. Now from these two lines, it is first question is given. Look at the picture and explain how Birbal made Akbar's line shorter. Answer, Birbal drew a longer line below the line drawn by Akbar and made Akbar's line shorter comparatively. Here one line drawn by the Akbar and below this Akbar's line, Birbal drew one more line and so Akbar's line is obviously become the shorter than the Birbal's line because Birbal drew big line below the Akbar's line. So this way Birbal drew a longer line below the line drawn by Akbar and made Akbar's line shorter comparatively. Now question number 2. Now can you be as smart as Birbal? Make his line shorter without erasing it. Yes, I can be as smart as Birbal. I can make Birbal's line shorter without erasing it by drawing a line longer than his line. Below the Birbal's line, if we draw the big line, then Birbal's line become the shorter line. Question 3. Just think, is there any longest line? Answer, no, there is no any longest line because the line is infinite. Infinite means endless. Both the sides here left side and right side both the sides line extends and there is no end point. Page number 14. Try this. Question number 1. Make her right arm 1 centimeter longer than the left arm. Draw here one arm is given and given the information that draw this side but 1 centimeter longer arm. Draw a cup 1 centimeter shorter than this cup. Here cup is given. But when we draw, we have to draw 1 centimeter shorter this cup. Draw a broom half as long as this broom. Here long broom is given. But here it is given that you have to draw half broom. Draw another hair of double the length. Here one hair is given. But you have to draw another hair with the double length. So now we give the answer part. Answer. Here we draw the one longer arm. Here we draw 1 centimeter shorter cup. Here half broom. And here hair is given but double the line of this hair is drawn. Now page number 15. How tall have you grown? Question number 1. Do you remember that in class 3 you measured your height? Do you think you have grown taller? It means in class 3 you measured your height. And second question, do you think you have grown taller? Answer. Yes, I remember that in class 3 I measured my height. Yes, I have grown taller. Question number 2. How much in centimeter? Answer. About 6 centimeter. Question 3. Have your friends also grown taller? Answer. Yes. My friends have also grown taller. Find out and fill the table below. Here some friends' name is given. Their last year's height is given. And their this year's height is given, and afterward this year's and last year's heights difference we have to write here. So first friend name is Sonu. Last year 125 centimeter, this year 135 centimeter. 135 minus 125 is equal to 10 centimeter grown. Sonu grown 10 centimeter. Monu last year 140 centimeter, this year 148 centimeter. 148 centimeter minus 140 centimeter is equal to 8 centimeter. Bubbly 132 centimeter last year, this year 136 centimeter, and so 136 minus 132 is equal to 4 centimeter grown. Guddu 150 centimeter last year, 153 this year. 153 minus 150 centimeter is equal to 3 centimeter grown. Raju 140 centimeter minus 140 centimeter last year, this year 146 centimeter. 146 centimeter minus 140 centimeter is equal to 6 centimeter grown. Now from the question 1, Jalpa once read a list of tallest people in the world. One of them was 272 centimeter tall. That is just double of Jalpa's height. How tall is Jalpa? We have to write the answer in centimeter. First of all, answer part, height of one of the tallest person in the world is equal to 272 centimeter. It is just double Jalpa's height. Otherwise, Jalpa's height is half of this person. So, Jalpa's height is equal to 272 divided by 2 is equal to 136 centimeter. Thus, Jalpa's height is 136 centimeter tall. Page number 15. Imagine. First question, could that person pass through the door of your classroom without bending? Answer, no. That person could not pass through the door of our classroom without bending because the door of classroom is 230 centimeter height while his height is 272 centimeter. Because we know the height of the person is 272 centimeter and door of our classroom's height is 230 centimeter. So, without bending, this person could not pass through the door of our classroom. Now, question number 2. Will his head touch the roof of your house if he stands straight? Yes, the head of his person will touch the roof of your house because if he stands straight, because the roof of his house is 260 centimeter. Roof of my house is 260 centimeter and the person's height is 272 centimeter. So when the person stands straight, at that time person's head will touch the roof of your house. The long and short of your family. Who is the tallest in your family? My father is the tallest in my family. Second, who is the shortest in your family? Answer, my younger sister is the shortest in my family. Otherwise, my younger brother is the shortest in my family. Third one, what is the difference between their height? The difference between their height is, my father's height is 175 centimeter minus my younger sister height is 95 centimeter. 5 minus 5 0, 17 minus 9 is equal to 8, 80 centimeter. So difference of this both the person's height is 80 centimeter. Now page number 16, race. Here one race is arranged. Answer the question on the basis of the picture given below. Here some girls picture is given and ask the question from there. How far is Rehana from Arundhati? Here Rehana and Arundhati is there. So the distance between these two girls is 3 meter is there. Rehana is 3 meter far from Arundhati. Here two girls are there. Their name is Kavita and Uma. One Kavita and one Uma. Now second question is there. How far ahead is Rehana from Kavita and Uma? So here we have to write that Rehana is 6 meter far from Kavita and Uma. Distance between Rehana and Kavita and Uma is 6 centimeter. The distance between these two girls is 3 centimeter. How far the Kavita and Uma from the finishing line? Here is the finishing line. And finishing line and distance between Arundhati and finishing line 3 centimeter. Arundhati and here Rehana 3 centimeter. And Rehana to Kavita and Uma 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter plus 6 meter plus 3 meter plus 3 meter is equal to 15 meter is there. So distance of the finishing line from Kavita and Uma is 6 meter, 3 meter and 6 meter is equal to 15 meter. So Kavita and Uma are 15 meters far away from the finishing line. Question number 2. Have you heard about a 1500 meter or 3000 meter race? Yes, I have heard about a 1500 meter or 3000 meter race. So you can say in 1500 meter race people run 1 kilometer and 500 meter. 1 kilometer, 1.5 kilometer is equal to 1 kilometer and 500 meter. In 3000 meter race people run dash kilometer because we know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 3000 meter is equal to 3 kilometer. So people run 3 kilometer. Question number 3. Have you heard about a marathon race in which people have to run about 40 kilometers? Yes, I have heard about marathon race in which people have to run about 40 kilometers. People run marathons on roads because the track of a stadium is only 400 meters. 10 rounds of a stadium track is equal to dash kilometer. So 400 meter into 10 is equal to 4000 meters. And we know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 4000 meter is equal to 4 kilometer. So 10 rounds of stadium track is equal to 4 kilometer. So if you run a marathon on a stadium track, you will have to complete dash rounds. Total length of the marathon race is 40 kilometer. And 40 into 1000 is equal to 40,000 meter. 400 meter is equal to 1 round. So 40,000 meter is equal to how much? So number of rounds to be taken to complete the race is equal to 40,000 divided by 400 is equal to 100. So if you run a marathon on stadium track, you will have to complete 100 rounds. Long jump. Page number 17. How long are Gurjit's and Gopit's jump? Gurjit's jump is 20 centimeter less than the Dhanu's jump. Dhanu's jump 3 meter and 40 centimeter is equal to 340 centimeter. Gurjit's jump is equal to 340 centimeter minus 20 centimeter. So Gurjit's jump is 320 centimeter is equal to 3 meter and 20 centimeter. Gopi's jump is Gurjit's jump minus 5 centimeter. So now Gopi's jump is 5 centimeter less. So 320 centimeter minus 5 centimeter is equal to 315 centimeter. So length of Gopi's jump is equal to 315 centimeter, otherwise 3 meter and 15 centimeter. Both are correct answer. Question number 2. Try and see how far you can jump. I can jump about 1 meter 50 centimeter. Question number 3. How far can you throw a ball? About 15 meter. Look for a big ball like a football or volleyball. How far can you kick it? I can kick a big ball to a distance about 25 meters. Page number 18. World record and Indian record is given. Some sport person's name is given here. Here are the Indian record and world records for jump. High jump man Xavier Seth 2 meter 45 centimeter world record. Chandrapal 2 meter and 17 meter Indian record. Long jump man Mike P 8 meter 95 centimeter. Amrit Pal Indian record 8 meter and 8 centimeter. High jump woman Sefka K 2 meter 9 centimeter. Amrit Pal 8 meter 8 centimeter. Long jump woman Galina C 7 meter 52 centimeter. Anju G 6 meter 83 centimeter. Find out from the table question number 1. How many centimeter more should Chandrapal jump to equal the men's world record for high jump? 2 meter and 45 centimeter world record for high jump and minus 2 meter and 17 centimeter Chandrapal's record for high jump. So difference of 0.28 centimeter more equal the men's world record. So 28 centimeter Chandrapal jump more to equal the men's world record for high jump. Otherwise second method is given. We know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter men's world record for high jump. 2 meter plus 45 centimeter 2 into 100 plus 45 200 centimeter plus 45 centimeter 245 centimeter. And high jump record of Chandrapal 2 meter 17 centimeter is equal to 217 centimeter. Now we will subtract 217 centimeter from 245. So 245 minus 217 is equal to 28 centimeter. How many centimeter higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meter? Remember that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, so half meter is equal to 50 centimeter. We know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, thus 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. High jump of Bobby A is 1 meter and 91 centimeter. So 1 meter 91 centimeter is equal to 191 centimeter. So 200 centimeter minus 191 centimeter is equal to 9 centimeter. So thus Bobby A should jump 9 centimeter higher to reach the 2 meters. Third question, Galina's long jump is nearly 7 meter, 7.5 meter or 8 meter. Correct answer is B, 7.5 meter. Long jump of Galina C is 7 meter and 52 centimeter. It and 7.5 means 7 meter and 50 centimeter. So We know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, half meter is equal to 50 centimeter. Now Galinas' long jump is 7 meter 52 centimeter. So 700 centimeter plus 52 centimeter, 752 centimeter. Thus Galinas' long jump is nearly 7.5 meters. Question number 4. Look at the women's world record. What is the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump? Answer. Now to find the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump, we have to subtract 209 centimeter from 752 centimeter. So here we have to write difference between the longest jump and the highest jump. 7 meter 52 centimeter and 2 meter 9 centimeter is equal to 5 meter 43 centimeter. If Mike P could jump dash centimeter longer, his jump would be full 9 meter. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, so 9 meter is equal to 900 centimeter. So 900, 9 meter and 0 centimeter minus 8 meter and 95 centimeter is equal to 0 meter and 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter if Mike P could jump longer for 9 meter, whose high jump is very close to 2.5 meters. Steph Kake, Chandrapal, Xavier S, Bobby A. We know 1 meter is equal to 100. So 2.5 meter means 2 meter and half meter means 250 centimeter. 245 centimeter is very close to 250 centimeter. Thus, the high jump of Xavier S is very close to 2.5 meters. So C is the correct answer. Xavier S. Now page number 19. Running access. Up to here we keep. Thank you very much. And students, in our second periodic assessment exam, there is a chapter number 3, 4 and 5 are there. So practice for this chapter number 3, 4 and 5. Thank you very much.